This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Clipchamp and create a new project with the correct aspect ratio for your platform. Start by importing media, drag files, or link cloud accounts, then label and group clips so you don't waste time later. Once done, set your sequence's frame rate and resolution to match your source files to avoid jitter or export issues. Now place rough clips on the timeline in the order of your story. This first pass is about structure, not polish. You refine the timeline by trimming and splitting clips, then use ripple delete to keep the flow tight. This is where pacing is created. Next, balance audio levels and run normalization so dialogue is consistent. Add fade handles to remove pops. Color correct shots to a neutral baseline, then stylize with LUTs or curves for mood. Use overlays and animated titles, and add keyframes for simple motion. These details elevate a rough cut into a polished sequence that reads clearly on screen. You're ready to export. Pick the correct codec, resolution, and bitrate for your destination and enable hardware encoding if available to speed up export. Once exported, play the file on a phone and desktop to confirm audio sync, color fidelity, and artifacts. If you encounter glitches, try clearing Clipchamp's cache, ensure the project frame rate matches source media, or render only the problem segment and replace it in the timeline. One key tip: keep incremental project backups while you iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.